Hello and welcome to Andy's Shed. So today I just thought we'd go over a couple of tools that I've been using as part of the restoration work. I'm basically going to compare two different Ryobi models that we've been using. I am actually quite impressed with the high torque unit, as we'll see in this video.
So I've had this Ryobi for quite a while and it's always struggled, or seemed to struggle getting these lug nuts off. So I'm going to do a comparison today between this one, which is the R18W7. It's a much bigger unit here. So let's see what we can do with the smaller one. Absolutely not budging. That's on top power. So this is the high torque unit. It's currently on the lowest power setting. Let's try it on the same nut. Try it again. Now the highest power. Straight away.
So yeah, tune in for the next video and yeah, see you soon.